Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another Eid look. So my previous Eid look was very soft and subtle. So today I'm gonna go with the glammed up look. So let's get into the video. First of all, I'm gonna start with my eyes. So now I'll start with the eyebrows. So first of all, I'm gonna take this palette. This is Maxfactor's brow contour kit, and this is a very good kit. I love it. And I'm gonna take the darkest shade from this with this angled brush, and I'm gonna make my eyebrows. So guys, I've done my eyebrows. Now to clean up the eyebrows, I'm gonna take this Sweet Touch London Magic Concealer in the shade Beige 24, and I'm gonna take this concealer brush and I'm gonna clean my eyebrows up and also prep my eyelids. Then I'm gonna take the wet beauty sponge and I'm gonna set this concealer. So now after setting the concealer, I'm gonna apply some loose powder on my eyelid, because उससे ये होगा कि eyeshadow is properly applied. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna apply this some loose powder on my eyelid and set the concealer which I have applied, because इससे eyeshadow को properly. So now for the eye look, I'm gonna do smoky eye. For that, first of all, I'm gonna take this black color from the Jaclynhill palette and I'll pack my entire lid with this. और आपने ख्याल रखना है कि ये आपकी क्रीज से ऊपर ना जाए, क्योंकि जब आप ब्लेंड कर रहे होंगे तो फिर वो खुद ब खुद ही क्रीज में चला जाएगा. जस्ट कीप इट लो. इतना ही रखना आपने इसको. जस्ट इससे ज़्यादा इसको ऊपर लेके जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So after applying this, now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this blending brush. इससे मैं क्या करूँगी कि I am gonna take this shade and I'm gonna mix it with, it's like this one, this lightly. I'm gonna mix these two shades and I'm gonna blend the crease. अच्छा, क्रीज में बिस्ली नहीं जाना था, क्योंकि जब ब्लेंडिंग आप कर रहे हो तो ऊपर होता ही है आई शेडो, तो जस्ट क्रीज से ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. You need to blend this really properly, क्योंकि कोई harsh lines ताकि ना रहे, क्योंकि smoky eyes में ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि आपकी harsh line नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now after blending that in my crease, अब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और sharpen up करने के लिए what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take again the same two colors, this one and this one. मैं crease में इसको focus करूँगी. टेकिंग द सेम फ्लैट ब्रश, मैं वही ब्लैक आई शेडो लूँगी और मैं अपनी लिड को दोबारा से उसे पैक करूँगी, बिकॉज आई वांटेड अ मोर पिगमेंटेड. ठीक है, उसके बाद अगेन ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लेके आई एम गोना blend the sharp edges. Now again taking the same concealer brush, I'm gonna take this shimmer shade from this palette. This is light gold, and then I'm gonna define my brow bone or highlight my brow bone with this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this palette and I'm gonna take this silver shade from this and I'm gonna apply that on my inner lid with the same flat. I will try applying this with my fingers because you guys know कि मुझे finger से shimmers apply करना ज़्यादा पसंद है. So that's what I am gonna do right now. I'll apply this on half of my lid और फिर से मैं वो blending brush लूँगी and I'm gonna blend the outer corner without anything on the brush. Moving towards the eyeliner. Eyeliner is optional. If you want to go with the eyeliner, that's your choice. I wanted to go but थोड़ा ज़्यादा glammed up look चाहिए था तो मैंने I'm gonna do the eyeliner. So for eyeliner I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Inglot का gel liner and I'm gonna take this eyeliner brush and इससे मैं ये apply करूँगी on my lash line. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करूँगी यार, बिल्कुल पतला सा. I need a mirror for this because इतनी मैं वो नहीं हूँ प्रो कि मैं अभी से जो है ना बगैर मिरर के करना शुरू करती हूँ. So that's about it. That's what. Now quickly moving towards the lower lash, I'm gonna take the same black color and I'm gonna mix that with this brown color और मैं इसको lower lash पे अपनी apply करूँगी. Now I'll be back with my lashes on and doing my another eye after doing my another eye. So guys, as my foundation is on, so now I've set my face. I'll mention the products in the description box के मैंने क्या use किया. Now for contouring I'm gonna use Love Hello की palette. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna mix these 3 shades. इससे I'm gonna contour my face. After contouring my face for blush, I'm gonna take this blush from Sleek Cosmetics. This is in the shade Rose Gold. I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks. I love this blush because it's make shine and gold champagne, see na. After blush, I'm gonna moving towards my highlighter. For highlighter, I'm gonna take this highlighter from Makeuprevolution kit. My main basic purpose was to show you guys eye look, okay, how you can achieve the smoky eye look on E. So now moving toward the last part, I am moving for lips today. I'm gonna, as this was a bold look, so I'm gonna take Maxfactor key pencil and this is in the color 01 Red Rush and I line my lips with this. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna take this Maxfactor key lipstick and this is in the shade 30 Dessire. This is their matte lipstick. I'm gonna fill guys, isn't this pretty? So guys, this is a final look. This is glammed up look for me. if you can want to go bold, so you can do this look on Eid for you. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like this. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and press the notification bell below. And I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.